Good morning. I want us to start the analysis for today. Hope you had a great weekend. Now, let's start by looking at the news. So, today we have FOMC member speaking. That's it. So, no major news. Let's dive into the charts. Okay. So, we go to our currency pair, or before we do that, let's check our DXY and what it's doing. Okay. Just a minute. So DXY on a weekly, last week, what did it do? It had a breakout to the upside, and I say a breakout, it's a small one, but it did close above. You see, it did close above this candle and the previous week's candle, so shows some bullish momentum, but today it has opened quite lower. Okay, on a daily, it had a gap, a big one on the downside. So I think this could be also because of the tensions with the Iran. Hope you guys do follow international news. It could be because of the tension within Iran, the dollar is becoming weak, and also I've seen that Trump wants to raise the tariffs from 10% to 15%. Okay, remember last week the court stopped the tariffs, said it's not legal, but he said there's other ways he can impose restrictions on everyone. So today I don't know what he's thinking, but that's what I've seen in some website, in some news somewhere. But let's continue. In gold, yeah, our favorite thing. If we do check on the, let's start with the weekly. The weekly, it's been going up ever since it came down this week. This week was Monday 26th week until the first week of February. It has been going up the whole of this month. It has been going up. Okay, so on a daily, it has been going up since Wednesday last week. That's some good signs. Now it broke our resistance region. If you do remember, from here to here was our resistance region. It did break. So right now, ideally, I would love it to come retest this resistance point. Okay, I would love it to come retest this resistance point. If you do go for 4 hour, you see it broke. It also opened with a small gap. Here it is. Okay, so and if we do check 1 hour, yeah, same gap is there, but right now I would love to see this. I would love to see it come test this high. Okay, I'd love to see it come test this high, 5093. Okay, in the 1 hour, let's see if we still have the same thing. The high, is it the same coordinates or is it higher? So this is the higher for 1 hour, which is 5110. I think 5193 would be this. Yes, you see, 5193 would be this, but it had gone higher to 5110. 5110, does it correspond with the gap? Let's see. Yes, it does correspond with the gap. So I think the better one would be 5110 with an SL of, let's say, 5190, because it might want to test even that high for 4 hour. But I think the ideal position would be 5110. Okay, 5110, where it would have filled the gap and then would go down. Just a minute, let me see the coordinates for this. The opening, the close, 108.55. Okay, so to be safe, you could put it in between, just a minute. In between there will be 5113. So let's take 5110. 5110 is a good entry. But remember, do your own analysis. This is my analysis, okay? Do your own. Understand where you want to enter, where you want to enter before you do that, because this market, it's always tricky. Okay, you see now we are seeing another thing here. 5193 here with for 15 minutes it had a resistance. 5193, 5093 down. So I think you could also wait until it gets there, but either way things will be flowing. Okay, things will be flowing. Now that's my analysis for today. I am wishing you a good week, wonderful trading week. May all things align for you. Until tomorrow, be careful, trade smart, don't rush entries, always be patient, wait for it to come to you, and you will get good results. Goodbye, next day.